Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage your Bumble matches. Managing your Bumble matches effectively can enhance your experience on the application and help you make meaningful connection. First is to access your matches. Tap on the chat bubble icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. You can view your matches and ongoing conversation. Second is organize conversation. Keep track of your conversation by pinning important chats to the top of your category. Next is to engage regularly. Stay active by responding to messages promptly. This shows a match that you are interested and engaged. You can also use icebreakers. If conversation is lagging, use a Bumble question feature or a fun icebreaker to reignite the discussion. Also initiate dates. If you feel connection, don't hesitate to suggest a date or activity. Being proactive can lead to meaningful interaction. Another is unmatch when necessary. If you no longer wish to communicate with someone, you can unmatch them by going to the chat and tapping on the three dots, and you can see unmatch option there. Next is review profile regularly. Periodically check your match's profile. Their interest may change, or you may find new conversation starters based on their updated photos or bios. We can also use Bumble features. Utilize features like Super Swipe for those who are particularly interested in. You can also adjust your filters and preferences in the settings to ensure you are only matched with people who meet your criteria. If a conversation isn't progressing, it's okay to move on and focus on matches that have more potential. Some tips for successful management is to be respectful. Always communicate kindly and respectfully, even if you decide to unmatch. Also keep track of conversation to ensure you don't miss opportunities for meaningful connection. If you are not interested in someone anymore, it's better to unmatch rather than leave them hanging. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Bumble matches and enhance your chances of forming meaningful connections. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.